Thank you, Minister Ramirez. Minister Arroyo of Peru, you have the floor.
Señor Pete Hegseth,
Mr. Pete Hegseth, Secretary of War of the United States of America. General Francis Donovan, Commander of Southcom of the United States of America. Ladies and gentlemen, Ministers of Defense of our countries of America. Ladies and gentlemen, members of different delegations of American countries. May you all have a very good day. It's an honor for me to be able to address you all and express that Peru is thankful for the invitation that the United States of America did to participate in this first conference of the Americas against cartels. My country values this important initiative, which will contribute to reinforce regional cooperation to counter in a coordinated way current threats which compromise the security, the stability, and the development of the American hemisphere. Peru gives priority to the solid relationship that it maintains with the United States in matters of security and defense. This is a priority that strengthens day to day. Peru is firmly committed with the fight against transnational criminal organizations. This is a complex phenomenon, and it's multidimensional. Drug trafficking, narco-terrorism, weapons illicit traffic, human slavery, illegal mining operate with structures that transcend borders. They use emerging technologies and they seek to debilitate democratic institutionality. These threats project simultaneously in land, maritime, air, and cyber domains, and this requires integral and coordinated responses. For Peru, the fight against drug trafficking constitutes a strategic priority. Since we're one of the biggest world producers of coca leaf and cocaine, we have the impact of these illicit economies against public safety, the environment, and the most vulnerable populations. Our historic experience has shown the way that terrorism and drug trafficking work together. We also recognize that cybercrime constitutes a transnational threat which can only be confronted with sustained cooperation and international effective mechanisms. Peru has worked actively in negotiating a subscription, the UN Convention against Cybercrime, and therefore committing to preventing and sanctioning these conducts, as well as strengthening the mechanisms of international cooperation against emerging digital threats. With this strategic environment, we need to be have more interoperability, exchange information, improve our capabilities, and have mutual trust and respect to the sovereignty of states. And I just want to end telling you that we reaffirm our commitment with a coordinated action which will preserve regional stability and guarantee a more stable and prosperous hemisphere for our nations. Thank you.
Thank you.